TNAI Ukrul Branch International Nurse Day Mion Haira. Best Nurse Award Misho Haira. Manipur Board High School Living Certificate Porika result Shohaira 91.37% Makan Kuhaira. Ringyaophi Tangkhul Express Pvt about Ringyaophi Ningshen in a dalei. Baobing Mesaina Nang Rumsa. Trained Nurses Associations of India TNAI Ukrul Branch na Kakane International Nurse Day Mion Haira. Our nurse, our future, caring for nurses strengthens economies kachitu kuya jingli angrana ngeji DDA Smart Training Holy Rungmiya. Angrana ngejili CHSRC with Director Dr. Nelson Vashumna Masawasami MO Ukrul District Dr. A.S. Kabangring Ukrul District Hospital with MS Dr. Raisangmi Raikhan Kala Rosala NSG Institute with Principal Lamila Ningshen Atumna Kayawo Sadabazanga. Retired Nurse Ping Kala Grace Upliftment Ministry with Women Counselors Revent Ngayaile Lunglo Ariri trained Sada Khalei Nurses Ping Lavazanga. Dr. Nelson Vashumna Kamatuli Rida Akapakai Matada Makhalei La Kasak Kavat Atam Lila Chishu Krista we Mga Eina Otram Ngatsikhara Maram Nikasatsangam. Our home nurse Dr. Ridalop Mikhavai de protest Kasa Katahia Otram Kangatsi Malai Hailaga Kalata wuivang Paningahai wuivang Gachi Hangam. Dr. Nelson Nagahang Kareli Atum na service Haukapok Atamli Lupa Sajigoi na Hapok Saya Ka Adam Hitharan Atum ot kasa ringpame kokala samaya da hangam. Nursing ot eina ishiwui tam kajiteng rumda kazatharan mga vamay karada Dr. Nelson nakasatsanga. Mingyawla kahai ogatwina kangachan nurse Florence Nightingale with lumashant leishikatay na service mikashabjithada shurkavai Dr. Nelson nakasatsanga. TNAI Ukrul Branch with President Shimre Ungrejon Nagahang Trained Nurses Associations of India Ukrul Branch 2024 Kum Kasemna Kala International Nurse Day Kamayon hi Florence Nightingale commemorate Sada Florence Nightingale we Kaprazi Miksho Angasud Kakashung Sada Kamayon Nadahang International Nurse Day Kamayon hiwi Kamataya Karin Nurse Pingwi Kayakha la Kokha Kasa Kala Nurse Education Sli Kagatom Hikatata Wuivang Kamayon Nadahang Sanga Angrana Ngejili Rosala Nursing Institute with Principal Lamila Ningshen Nathum Shoju Tukuiji Pejiteda Nursing in a Yarili Otram Kangatina Maram Hang Sanga Angrana Ngejili Best Nurse we award Lami Haira Kala Award Chi District Hospital Li Ot Kasavu Ringyaophi Keishingna Sampang Haira Best Nurse Award Samkapang Wuivang Ringyaophi Keishingna Ningashipong Shokam Itu nurse we mirin here Ningyang Tong Tingda Majikada ka otram mga tsirar mana kala ning tong do otram mga tsa ka patients pingnala Ningyang mong mana the nurse Ringyaophi na hanga Nurse kasahiwa Kashang gajam makaila otram nga tsigi kachinada Ringyaophi Keishing na hanga Ang ranang ngi chili candle sharded nurse the Florence Nightingale pledge doing a shit Queen Rock Haira Kala special salak na nurse wuivang revent ngayaile lunglona sokhmi saya samia. Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem with High School Living Certificate Porika result Shokhaira. HSLC 2025 Porikali pass percentage 91.37% Sampanga. Official Pawat Hishuda 33,755 Katamna Porika Chithaya. Ajugumi result Porchin Mikashok certificate come crate statement is subject avavu eina Machitela crates kala crate points in a shock mia. College National Education Policy NEP 2020 lishuda holistic katam kashir lapore khali khangasun kui kasama mikhavai kasana dahanga. Provisional certificate come crate statement chi tarik thrada matiena hapokta lobatinka shapanga kala application forms we shaka zangda kuibairaji. 2025 HSLC Porika Makan Kui Karar Kadam Nauping na 2026 examination regular candidates Sada Zangaya Ka Kachichawi Worshimly class 10th readmit sa Pairada Porchin Hang. Kala readmit Kasaji result Kushok Wina to make sure Hang Madida Pangawe Longli Sakavai Hanga. Answer script re-scrutiny sa wuivang forms ajui direct thrada phangai na thuida thumrai na tangda misang paira. Answer script re-scrutiny with subject abavu wuivang mahan mavakapei. Fee lupa 2,100 zangra amanji application forms wila zanga haina. Ka re-scrutiny ta kahang ji re-evaluations la re-examinations mazang mana dahang. Naga political maram wuivang sehasagi de khalei angrana ngeli shiruk Queen Mikhavai United Naga Council UNC ne unit kala subordinate bodies pingli kathong haira. Naga political group NBGS tribal hohos kala forums for Naga reconciliations na achon teruk thang bruze shisha hoho kohimali kazipam dam ta kahaya thishuda rakhara tarik thrada chishat mathang quorum service li Naga political maram wuivang special seha angrana nge chishat kahaina. Special prayers Sri Naga tribes kajaja shiwi churches associations council na ngaran ngarok vai hangda Naga nauping with historical kala political mashun wuivang kokha sada mga vakavai ningrine na sagi gachina dahang. Tribe hohos kala longpang ping na kajaja shiwi church council association pingli hangkavai pohaira. Special day of prayer hina Naga nauping kokha kasa kala chingri kahaili nganai me khavai ngasara no da UNC na hangjipuna. Tangkhul alungli lenganon di watyur mi akamangna kasing monopoly Ringyaophi marada GBRN WTR na chishat kami shokairan. Tarik chikothang Tangkhul region Central Administrative Officers Office ina mikashok jizu kamili kahang Ministry of Kilo Affairs GBRN na tami kahai kala CAO WTR dated 17 2025 we memo athishuda societies businesses establishment organizations na lenganon control kasa lamaning ka monopolize kasa mamayamra hangda khalei Tangkhul regions li kachikatha wadyur wuivang na da dealerships maning ka permit milaka kashina ka khui mamayamra da hanga Hima ka surely khangi actions para the Tangkhul regions GBRN na hangmatin haira. Indo-Pakistan khangkabli sagazu Manipur wimi PSF Constable Dibak Jingakam mawan satu haira. Khangkabji Jammu and Kashmir we RS Pura sectors layat pamni achon direct thratang kashokna. Ngalei wuivang ngarmida tikahai Dibak ji zingum magada katum mang saya. Awi awo Jingakam Surjit Singh nakahang Dibak hi ngaryong hanli Ningshen laksai kala na PSF 2021 kum kazang na ji. PSF Constable Dibak Jingakam mawan sa kahai wuivang shimkhurte sa kakhanang sikafuli Manipur nang room tale. Awi wreath laying ceremony aya Jammu li kwikada Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha na khayal kashimiya. BSF kala Rang Kateina la Constable Dibak Jingakam ni khaya kashikala condolence mihaira direct thratang international boundary as pura area Jammu li khangakapli sajada direct thrada akhathang mawan satwi kahaina da PSF na Twitter li kapishoka PSF Dibak Jingakam wi shimkhuli MP Dr. Angomcha Pimol Akoy Jamna wasampangda condolence mihaira Manipuri Bharatiya Janata Party kala Indian National Congress with political kathana pingnala mawansa kahaya PSF Constable Jili kayakashi kala kakhanang pongshokhaira. Forensic Medicine Day beyond the Department of Forensic Medicines and Toxicology Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal na gender-based violence with maramni kazip makhok mihaira. Bending Hall RIMS Imphali kwikada ang ranangi Chile Professor N. Sanjeev Singh RIMS Medical Superintendent na masawa sada wazanga. Department of Forensic Medicines and Toxicology with Professor T.H. Mira TV na President kala Dr. B. Pravin Reddy Dental College with Principal na Kayawa sada zanga. Professor N. Sanjeev Singh na kahang gender-based violence shimni kashok abuse dowry burns kala acid attacks hikatha hikachunga tumda khalaina kala chili ngasunda khamashung phakashokhi forensic experts being with otngarut na kachi Professor N. Sanjeev Singh na hanga chikatha case with documentations mathada lenga sak kala victims being likatomida mi saikorali mashun kala khaya wuivang otsa sada Professor china kasat sanga kazip chili gender based violence wi maram nga tatai dali mi zang sakta gender based violence wa jingli ki zang mamei chiwi legal implications khilei ka chi maram li hangji thaya survivors pingli khangahali gynecologist pingna kachot sam kaphang maram kala victims pingli yang sang khamili lukhamashant la thaithang khamei takar kasa maram ngasana Nagaland we kadam now akana Royal Norwegian Embassy with fellowship sampangairam Nagaland University with PhD scholars Dibankar Hazarikali Royal Norwegian Embassy with Kayakala Kahai Energy Innovations Fellowship Grant Mihairam Hazarikana Batteries Technology Li Rida Masarang Gasa Ot Kasa Wuivang Fellowship Chi Kamina Fellowship Chi Wuivang India Li Mi Trada Gutu Mangli Kapangkuyam Kala North East Wien Mi Kanimang Zangan Department of Chemistry Assistant Professor Dr. Nurul Alam Chaudhry We Kuchui Kamiya Zingli Ot Sada Hazarikana Sustainable Biopolymer Paste Hydrogel Electrolyst Semkashok Energy Storage Li Kangje Kwira Kawai Ot Kasana Ana Semkashok We Indian Planet File Sahira Kala Awi Otji Journal of Power Source Lila Pong Mihira Ana Semkashok Ji Aina Flexible Kasa Tanggapai Safe Kasa Electronics Device Kushokta India with Clean Energy Ningrinli Katom Kami Ngasaya Ji Fellowship Ji Innovations Norway NITR Ayok Dairy Kala Adult Incubation Centers na Katomida Experts Mentorships Mia Kala Industry Ngasun Mia Vice Chancellor Professors Jagadish K. Patniak na Hazarikali Masot Mida University with Maikaya Pongshokan Hazarika na Norwegian Embassy Kala Awi Mentors Li Ningashimida Fellowship Jina Awi Lab Ochi Kachangkat Okotwili Shijin Kapai Ngasa Ngasak Li Katomira Kachihang Ladlita Ajawi Kamataya Pauping TNAI Ukrul Branch International Nurse State Mion Haira Best Nurse Award Mishok Haira Manipur Board High School Living Certificate Porika Result Shokhaira 91.37% Makan Kuhaira Aju Bao Healing Chang Haira Bao another Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi Kalakam Hai Zimikshong Saseran